Today, I'll show you how to add the blur transition, which is a great way to make your clips flow smoothly from one to the next. First, open your project and import at least two clips onto the timeline. Place them side by side so they connect seamlessly. Between the clips, you'll see a little plus icon. Tap on it, and this will open up the transition menu. Now, head over to the base section, and here you'll find different transitions. Look for the one called blur and tap on it. You'll instantly see how the first clip blurs out before the second clip comes into focus. But here's where you can customize it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a duration slider. If you drag it to the left, the transition will be faster, giving you a quick blur. If you drag it to the right, the transition slows down, creating a much smoother and more cinematic feel. Preview your edit, and once you're happy with how the blur flows, you're done. It's really that simple, and that's how you add a blur transition in VN Video Editor. It's one of the easiest ways to make your edits look polished and professional. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.